Some kids, when they walk into a classroom, and they're like this. What about whenever you have a new child, the new child just comes in, and they're just like, oh, and they want to touch this and that. And then in your mind, you say that child has what? Too much sugar. Too much sugar, or ADD, ADHD, or whatever it is. Now, that child has too much energy because they're coming in at 4 years old, and they're going to have a lot of energy to use and all this and all that, and it's going to be harder for you. But if that child is now 16 years old and they're running up and down a sports field, and they have 7 different agents from 7 different colleges trying to throw money at them, do they have too much energy, or do the other kids have too little energy? So consider that conversations like ADHD and too much energy are just matters of inconvenience. That child is ADHD because it's going to be inconvenient for us. Make sense? This is all just a mindset shift. So what I do is I do a lot of energy work, and a lot of kids, if you take a picture, I know they used to have Polaroids, now they have actually Polaroids back, little cute ones like that. So if you take a picture of somebody with a Polaroid camera, depending on their energy level, you'll see like a white glow, or like their aura. Does everybody know what an aura is? It's like an energetic field that surrounds us. So some of these kids that have high energy, their auras, their energy, it's all over the place. So what I do that's work is, and I also work with autistic kids too, and this works as well if they can get the concept, is something called the eagle claw. So when you take your toes, what I want you to do is take your toes and curl them in your shoes like you're grabbing onto the bottom of your shoes. Make sense? Okay, now relax. Okay, now let's do the same exact thing so you can see what I'm doing. My toes are working. So now you're going to take a deep breath in. And when you breathe out, curl your toes in so you're grabbing on. And also, if you feel the urge to bend your knees because your body's pulling you down, do that as well. Good. Yeah, this is going to be silly. It's going to be a lot sillier stuff. So you can be looking at each other like, what's going on? It's going to get so much worse. Just letting you know. Okay, so one more. Take a breath in. And everybody breathe out. And now curl your toes down. And do you feel yourself kind of like grinding a little bit? So this is a good exercise for the kids.